What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, back with another video. This time it's a sponsored video with Amotopart. Again, if you guys did not see the last video from last year, we did full custom fairings on my S1000 that got wrecked a year ago. So rest in peace to that bike. But this time we're doing full custom fairings on this beautiful new R1M. This is his bike right here. So this R1M, or all R1Ms, come with a lot of carbon fiber. So what we're gonna do is pretty much put these custom carbon fiber parts on this bike, so in case he wants to go to the track, it's not gonna cost him thousands and thousands of dollars if something went bad and this bike got whatever happened to it, you know what I mean? So these are still street fairings, so you're still gonna have your headlights, everything like that. We're gonna start unboxing this whole thing, and then we're gonna do the full fairing install on this bike. And I'm really excited for this build. It's gonna be very just different, especially to see on an R1M. And also after this, we actually are doing another bike later on an S1000RR. Let's start unboxing this and get reactions of what everyone thinks. All right, this is gonna be the first look of these. This is the first piece.
Wow.
They have the own stickers and everything too. We're gonna lay them out all over here.
You guys are happy. It's like opening up Christmas.
Finally unbox all the fairings. You get also the bolts right here. And now we're gonna start the install process on this R1M. These Amotopart fairings are made with the highest quality of ABS plastic that is lightweight and more resilient. They're easy to install. The fairings are pre-drilled with precise mounting holes. Their wear-proof paint job is made of high-quality paint that is UV protected with 3 layers of clear coat to protect the paint from wearing down. They offer a customization service for free. Add a matching tank cover for $50, and the tank cover can be customized as well. Follow Amotopart's YouTube and Instagram for a chance to get free fairings or other gifts. Also, if you'd like to join the Amotopart affiliate program, buy your custom fairings with free customization, share your Amotopart fairings to YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok and get $50 cash back, and register as Amotopart affiliate and get 10% commission on sales. Hashtag Amotopart, build your dream fairings. R1M sound way too good. Fairings are on this beautiful R1M. We kept the R1M theme on this bike. Fitment, as I said, was pretty much OEM on this beautiful R1M. As you guys see, this bike looks absolutely amazing. Fitment is as good as OEM, and you can get fairings for any of your bikes. So check out Amotopart, link in the description down below, and you can get custom fairings for free. You can customize your fairings. They also come with tint covers, so if you want with a different color scheme that doesn't match your bike, you can also get a tint cover for it, which will clean up the look for your bike. Alright, we are done installing the fairings. A full fairing kit is not even going to take you that long. You can get it done within 30 minutes to an hour. The bike looks absolutely amazing. As I said in the video, we decided to keep the R1M theme colors, so if you go take this bike to the track, you don't have to risk damaging your carbon fiber, as we said, but also everyone can still see that it's on R1M. Obviously you have the silver, black, and the blue. Everything is matching. It just flows really nicely. The tail, everything is as good as OEM fitment. Obviously, like, aftermarket parts never fit 100%. None of these parts gave us any problems. Everything fit as good as it can be within like 30 minutes probably. 30 minutes, that's all it took. And you can do this, you can go to any track that you want, and you can just take the fairings with you, and you can literally get it done like right there at the track, or you can prepare, get it done, load the bike up, and you're set to go without risking damaging your fairings. Also, shout out to
Hayden R1 on YouTube and Instagram. So
yeah, so check him out. This is his R1M, and he was considering taking his bike to the track at some point. So instead of, you guys know when I rode my bikes, and I've crashed some expensive bikes. I've crashed my full carbon V4S, rest in peace to that bike if you guys remember, and I've also crashed my M丨RR. Both bikes, I mean, regardless, like, also if you're doing canyon riding too, so these fairings are good for canyon riding because it doesn't cover your headlights and any of that stuff, so you can still, if you're doing canyon rides and you don't want to risk getting all these rock chips on your beautiful carbon fiber parts, you swap to this, and if anything happens, your fairings are safe. With me, I learned the hard way. One bike just went completely gone, rest in peace, and my M丨RR, if you guys didn't know, that bike cost $30,000 just to fix and to get it back into like running shape, even though the damage was cosmetic. It was nothing serious. So if I had custom fairings on my M丨RR, I would have saved pretty much $29,000, because like custom fairings like these are like an insane deal, and they're also pretty much as good as OEM if you're doing plastic. It's lightweight, still resilient, and it's literally like, if you take any of these bikes anywhere, no one's gonna know that it's aftermarket. It looks as good as OEM, as you guys can see, and especially with this color theme that matches and keeps the R1M looking as it is. You can see they even got the blue identical to the Yamaha blue, as well as the silver with a little flake in it, so it's not just like a plain silver, and it just fits the bike perfectly. Also, if you guys remember, this exhaust right here, a little hot, but it's okay. Yeah, this is like my toast. I obviously switched to the SC with mine, and I kept this exhaust because I really like it, and he wanted to upgrade his exhaust, so he's using it, he's enjoying it. It's nice seeing my exhaust on another bike, and I don't know, the bike flows and just matches how aggressive the tail of this bike looks. With the blue wheels also matching, I think this bike looks really good right now. But you have that peace of mind, especially if you're going to the canyon, to the track, or whatever you're doing. It looks great without having to worry about messing your expensive pieces, because as you guys know, I'm pretty OCD, and I think he is too. So
I'm pretty OCD.
Yeah,
I don't want no rock chips.
he was definitely freaking out when we were changing everything, but the install was super easy. I've changed my fairings too many times, so like it wasn't anything complicated. And now he has an extra set of fairings for whenever he doesn't want to damage his when it's doing rides that are a little more aggressive than just kind of like going around. A rock chip with some of the carbon fiber fairings can cost thousands of dollars if you want to replace that piece. So this just makes it a lot easier, and the bike looks absolutely amazing. At some point probably we're gonna do a ride and maybe even do a swap. So because he has the newer gen, as you guys can see, this is the newer gen R1M, which looks a little bit different than mine. They changed a few things, such as like the front face, the sides, which also, if you guys didn't see when I was unboxing the parts, the fairings come with absolutely everything. So you literally get every single piece, from the plastics to the under tray, everything, absolutely everything, all the plastics, all the like inserts. So even like down here, all of these get replaced, included in the fairing set, as well as the windscreen. This windscreen came with the fairing set, so you get absolutely everything. And you also, as I said, can opt out to get a tank cover if you're doing different custom colors, because you can customize it with however you want, different logos. You can write whatever you want. You can put your Instagram handle, you can do whatever you want. It's fully customizable. Check it out on their website. I'm just happy with how the bike turned out. I hope you're happy with how it turned out.
Looks fire. I just like how like the color matches everything. It matches the rims, matches the seat, matches the tank from the OEM colors. So that's pretty sick. And fitment was really good. So yeah, overall, really good job. Really fire.
Next up, we are going to be doing an S1000RR with a little twist. So it's going to be the S1000RR with, again, custom full-on fairings. Same thing, they're not full on the track, because you can get the track version, which covers the headlights and stuff like that, but we're going to do the street version on the S1000RR, and it's going to have an added wing to it. So the old gens of the S1000RR, not the 23s or the last gen, they came without the wings. The wings used to come only on the M1000RR, but we're going to do aftermarket wing install on that bike as well. So I'm excited to do that one. Probably within a month or something like that. You guys expect to see that video, and we're going to do another transformation of another bike just to make it look a little different. And also, if you ever get bored, now you have slightly different fairings. All right, so as you guys see, as good as OEM fairings. If you guys want to get these fairings, visit amotopart.com and use code AMK to get 10% off your order, and they will contact you and confirm after you place your order. And also, if you do customization, all that, they will talk to you about that. And you can even talk to them about the whole customization process and exactly what you want in detail. And they'll answer you and help you out with your build. So check them out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this R1M with a slight twist, because there's never been a new gen R1M with a different R1M decals on it. So this looks very different and unique. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, shout out to Hayden R1M. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe. Bonus content before we end the video. Let's see some fireworks.